Guys, am I the only one who's getting tired of this Zethu and Sfiso's back and forth? I think whoever is writing this thing should do better with this plot, and that is what I want us to talk about here in this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by holding down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. I think the producers of this show think that was still in 2018, back when they would drag one storyline for a whole year, and we would enjoy that. Things have changed now. I mean, can't be having this plot this whole season. In fact, I thought that by episode 20, Zethu would already be pregnant with Khatide's child and confused, not knowing who's the father. Now, the only thing that is confusing here is this child's storyline. She doesn't even know whether she loves Shobane or she loves Sfiso. Even worse, they're trying so much to make us hate Shobane, but the guy is just likable. I think they should have just found someone who would be able to hate easily. Look, I think Zethu and Sfiso could make a great couple, but still, Shobane and Zethu are a beautiful couple, and even worse now, since Zethu is showing that she's interested in him. You know, they show that they will still get back together, meaning that this back and forth is not going to end, well, at least not anytime soon. So guys, comment there in the comment section, share thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.